YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the handbag housewife, and I'm back again with yet another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. Yay! Anyway, if you have been following me on my community page and maybe paying attention to my not so subtle hints during my videos, you may have some idea what this could be. But there's probably still a bunch of you out there who have no idea. Regardless, I hope you all enjoy this as much as I'm about to. Got my handy dandy ceramic knife. I started tearing into this as I was walking back into my bedroom and into my closet. And then I went, oh my gosh, what am I doing? This is an unboxing. I cannot open it before the film is rolling. And you never know how well it's going to be packaged. Like, I'm feeling this. I would say that this item is factory wrapped, but I'm not sure. Let's look together. It's looking factory wrapped to me. So this is from Bloomingdale's. They were running a deal. So the deal was that I got 30% off this item, and because I live in a state that we do not have a Bloomingdale's, I did not have to pay tax. And then I think I got 6% cash back on Be Frugal. Basically, I'm signed up for Be Frugal. You can be signed up for Be Frugal too. If you just go down to my description box and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll find my link. You'll get a bonus. I'll get a bonus. We'll all be so happy with our bonuses. But if you're already signed up, go to Be Frugal, click through to Bloomingdale's, and you too can get some cash back on a gorgeous Tory Burch bag. So let's open her up. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I am sort of obsessed. I'm obsessed with a lot of things. I'm obsessed with coach hats right now. In fact, I might have ordered another one, or I might not have. I think I did. I might have been dreaming. I'm not sure. Anyway, if it shows up, I will show you. This is a denim Tory Burch bag, and she does not disappoint. Holy cow. I didn't know the bottom would be leather. It's a nice smooth navy leather. It's called Tory Navy to be exact. It has a beautiful top handle, which folds kind of askew like this on the top. And that's the way my beeswax one does too. That's the way these little handles roll. I mean, some of them are a little bit more centered than others, but don't let that bother you. That's just the way these bags are. Then look at the beautiful hardware on the front of this bag. And the denim, oh my gosh, it's not distressed. She's neat. She's lovely. She's a little bit of a dressy denim. I'm opening her up. Okay. All right, she's getting undressed. Oh my gosh, she's being naughty. I didn't really expect it to smell like leather, and you know what? It doesn't. But it's denim, so what am I thinking? Even the leather doesn't really smell like leather. Maybe it's just absorbed all the denim goodness. So I don't know if you noticed, but I put on a shirt with blues in it on purpose. I did that for you. In fact, I wasn't even wearing this shirt. And then I walked into my closet, realized I was wearing the same outfit that I filmed my last video in, which is a big no-no. And I just grabbed this shirt right off the rack and put it on. All right, I'm keeping this bag. There's no question in my mind, unless I find a major like flaw or defect. This baby is my bag. She's here to stay. I'm gonna take off this thing. I don't need that. Nobody needs these things. I don't know why they even put them in. I guess it's to prevent people from removing the strap if they're not going to keep the bag. Okay, I have an interesting little fact for you guys. So I was watching another YouTuber, and I can't think of his name right now. Oh yes, I remember. I think he goes by Scotty McFabulous or something like that. If I can find his video on Tory Burch shopping, I will link it below. But you know that I talk about the Tory Burch Willa bag all the time. Let me grab one of my Willas. So this is the lovely Tory Burch Willa bag. Now, Scotty McFabulous, he talks about the outlet versus retail in his video. He's actually shopping at retail, then he goes and shops at the outlet. He touches all the retail, he then goes and he touches all of the outlet. And he said, oh, you can just tell the quality difference. And I'm telling you, I really can't when I'm feeling the outside of the bag. But he pointed this out. When he feels the inside of the bag, he can tell a difference. And I would 1000% agree. The inside of this flap does not feel that great. The outside of the bag feels delicious. I still am super happy I have these, but I hadn't noticed that until he mentioned it. And I had actually, well, I said I hadn't noticed it till he mentioned it. I had just recently noticed that for the first time. Then I watched his video, and then I pulled my bag out and felt her up, and I was like, he's right. The inside doesn't feel as good. Now, you may wonder why I went on this long meandering trail, but I do have a point. My point is that this bag, while it is denim on the outside, it is leather on the flap. And this leather feels amazing. I don't know what kind of leather it is. I imagine it's calf, but if it is calf, it is delightful. And if it's lamb, it's definitely hardier than most lamb. I'm going to venture to say it is calf leather, but it is some soft feeling calf leather. I am really loving it. Now, the inside of the bag is a microfiber. We have 2 pockets right here on this side. We have a zip pocket in the center. Then we have another zip pocket in the back. This gorgeous bag that I am absolutely obsessed about, it does not have a back pocket, but that's okay. I can live with no back pocket. That's not any skin off my back. Most of the time, my phone is in my hand anyway because I'm editing videos for you. But this bag has a very cool top handle, and it has a somewhat dysfunctional crossbody strap. I don't like the straps that come with these bags, and I assume that this one will not be an exception, but I'll give it a try just to see what it's worth. I decided that I'm not even going to use the strap with my beeswax Kira, just because the bag feels like it hits me in a weird spot. So, I mean, see, I don't know. I just don't really love that. Now, let me see if I can lower it down some. I can lower it down all the way. She's going downtown. Let's see. So on the very longest setting, it maybe is about just right for me crossbody. But let me tell you, ladies and gents, the way I like to wear this bag is with a small chunky chain. Ooh, so chunky. So I'm going to snap this on here. Now, when I say small, it's because this was one of the 42-inch chains by Yi Chain on Amazon. And I decided to make it a 26.5-inch chain because once I ordered this chain in all the colors, I realized that 42 inches is not a good length for me. So I shortened it with some bolt cutters. And honestly, I don't think you can hardly even tell that I did it. I'm that good. It's not really that hard. You just need some pliers and some patience and maybe a set of bolt cutters. But I like this better than the 25.5-inch chunky chain that you can order already pre-cut. And that is because the little clips on it are smaller. If you don't mind leaving your chain on your bag, this is no big deal. You can have the bigger clips on there, no problem, but I take mine on and off, so I like the smaller clips. So I repurposed all of those 42-inch chains that I had already. This is how I like to wear this bag. I mean, bam, yes, look at that. I mean, the sparkle, it's just got that zhuzh, you know? I think that's how you say that. Anyhow, I'm going to give this beauty the Autumn Beckman spin, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to take my son to basketball, and we are going to have fun. Look at that denim. Wow. So this was marked 30% off. This bag was $600 and a lot. Hold on. This bag was $648 and I got it for $453 and change. And I will link it in the description box, but it's already also been linked in my community page. And make sure to go take advantage of those cashback apps. And guess what? Bloomingdale's stopped the loyalist rewards that they were doing, but now they're doing $50 for every $200 spent. So you'll get a $100 gift card if you buy this bag from them. So that makes their deal the best deal. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm Erin and I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel and go follow me on Instagram too. You are going to be seeing this beauty styled with some outfits, I promise. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.